Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to add an image pool on community tab. So if you just unlocked advanced features on YouTube and you received a community tab, in this video I'll show you how you can add an image pool. It's very simple, so please follow along with me and watch this until the very end so you don't miss any part of this video, and also subscribe for more tutorials. So now let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to community, and here in the community tab we have multiple options. We have image pool, text pool, and video. Please select image pool, and here you need to ask your question, and also you need to download a couple of images and add them here. Now here you can add the text and then the image. Okay, and as you can see now we have the images, friends, and I don't know, here iPhone, and you can reposition the image as well, which is pretty cool. Save, reposition the image here as well, and you can add option, another one, another image. Here you ask your question, and that's pretty much what you can do. And also you can schedule the post, right? You can schedule the post, which is cool as well and is helpful. It's pretty helpful. So local time here and here. So that's how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. This was the video on how you can get, or how you can create an image pool in community tab. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.